This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect crypto. Calm to Trust Wallet. This process involves transferring your digital assets from one platform to the other. First, open your crypto. Calm app and navigate to the Accounts tab. Next, ensure your Trust Wallet is fully set up and ready to receive funds. Remember, these are distinct wallets, so we are moving assets, not linking accounts directly. This is the standard and most secure method. Now, let's initiate the transfer. From your crypto, Calm app, select the specific cryptocurrency you wish to move. For example, if you want to send Ethereum, select Ethereum. Then, tap the Withdraw button and choose the External Wallet option. This prepares the transaction for an outside destination. Simultaneously, open your Trust Wallet and find the correct receiving address for that exact cryptocurrency. This step is crucial for a successful transfer. Carefully copy the unique receiving address from your Trust Wallet. Then, paste this exact address into the corresponding field within your crypto. Calm app. It is absolutely vital to double-check that the network selected in crypto. Calm matches the network of your Trust Wallet address. For instance, ERC20 for Ethereum. An incorrect network could lead to permanent loss of funds. Before finalizing, take a moment to review all the transaction details one last time. Confirm the cryptocurrency, the amount, and especially the destination address. Once you are certain everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal. Be aware that a small network fee will typically apply, and transaction times can vary, usually taking anywhere from a few minutes to several hours depending on network congestion. Your funds will appear in Trust Wallet shortly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.